Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to share how to schedule maintenance at the right time. Okay. So once you start working in the production environment, there would be a lot of users connecting to your resource location virtual desktops or applications. So you need to make sure that your cloud connectors are available and up to date. Okay, let's say if Citrix wants to push some mandatory updates to cloud connectors, if they do it during business hours, let's say users are working from morning 9 to 6, if they push the updates to the cloud connectors during the business hours, and if the machine gets rebooted, it will impact the services, it will impact the environment. Users will have issues connecting to your Citrix environment. Now as a customer, what you need to do is you need to set a time, saying that we are okay to we are okay to get the mandatory updates from Citrix Cloud during this time. You can perform maintenance activity on the cloud connectors. We are not worried about during this time. So you need to set a time. So I will show how to do that. So you see here resource location. Okay, once you go to the resource location, click on these three little dots and you see manage resource location here. You need to click on manage resource location. Now it says manage resource location, rename your resource location and configure maintenance at optimal times for your users. Some components in your resource location are automatically managed by Citrix. Maintenance is coordinated, so there is no impact to your users. So this is very, very important. So you have a couple of options here. Do you want to push the updates when it is available? Okay, whenever there is an update available from Citrix Cloud, do you want to push it automatically to the Citrix Cloud connectors? Or you want to set a maintenance start time? You want to set some time. You need updates only during this time of the day. So you can do those things as well. So you can select, okay, I want this at midnight, not in the morning, but in the midnight. On which day? You want this on Sunday, not on Tuesdays or Wednesdays when users connect. Okay, you can select the time zone as well. Okay, you can select the time zone. It depends upon the location where you're located. So you can select the time zone as well, and you can click on confirm. You can click on confirm. So this is how you can tell the Citrix cloud that, okay, please push updates, or please install updates only during this time period, so that users will not be impacted. If it happens during the production hours, users will be impacted. They will not be able to connect to the Citrix environment. So this is very, very crucial step. As an administrator, you have to make these changes. All right, so I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.